Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Hafa Adai. And guys, for this video, itutur ko po kayo dito sa bagong-bagong staycation na na-discover namin dito po sa Angeles City. So tara, bisa natin dito. Pagdating nyo po dito, this is their parking lot. I believe it can accommodate siguro like 10 vehicles at any given time. Ang first impression ko po dito, it's so green, napaka-relaxing po sa mata. And right after nga nung parking area natin, one of the most exciting, no? So dito tayo dumaan, guys. Alright, so there you go. You have like 2 cottages dito, or shall I say gazebo, no? And then from here, overlook na natin yung kanilang swimming pool area. But I think medyo yung depth nito is for adults na rin. Although meron section doon for kids naman. So let's move forward. What I like about here, again, it's so green. Napakaraming halaman that makes it really, really relaxing. Ito yung isa sa mga amenities natin. But before we go there, take a look at this area. So ito yung parang pinaka-common area. Napakaganda nito, guys. Well-designed, no? From here, this is their alternative for your dining area. Plus, meron tayong counter table doon. And then, another area for, you know, dishwashing and kitchen, mga ganyan. This common area, located dito yung ating Barkada Villa. So, which is actually the accommodation po ng lugar na to, no? We have the living room area with an alfresco. Nandito rin yung kanilang entertainment area. This is the toilet. And they also have their free Wi-Fi. So, you know, everything's interconnected dito. Okay, so another amenity is this one. Ito yung billiards area. Ganda, no? For this one, I believe this is a professional-sized billiards. Napakalaki niya. So also in here, we got some chairs and tables that are available. You can have some, you know, kwentuhan dito. And again, another area for relaxation is this one. So, para siyang outdoor table and dining area rin, no? Now, this pathway actually leads to our main villa. In here, it can accommodate like 2 to 4. So, small family, but it's secluded, no? Ooh, wow! Wow! Ay, grabe. Napakaganda. In here, you actually have a space for living room. This one, ito yung indoor dining niya. So, nandoon yung kitchen naman niya. So, let's get inside. So, actually, yung room natin is fit for, you know, a couple. Ano siya, sariling toilet and bath, which is this one. You can, you know, use it, you know, as is. But everything, the entire room, the entire villa is actually air conditioned. So you have air condition here, meron din tayong air condition dito. Alright, so ayun guys, we are back where we introduce you the place, guys. Ito yon. Balik tayo dito. I wanna show you guys kung gaano ka-presko. If you're interested to know more about this, guys, check out po yung fan page. We're gonna be including. But to give you an idea, ang regular rate po dito is 25,000. Now, they do have a promo. You can get it for 15,000 pesos only. And you gotta deposit 4,000 pesos po for security. Check-in po dito is 3 p.m. and then the check-out is 12 noon the following day. So you got really, really long time to really enjoy the place. Look at this. Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next video and also here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.